Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kakenhon Meghalaya Democratic Alliance. Nekesngi klasong perkat banekren halorbon kiman. Hasyabat sedang kadarbar hayung darbar tawaan. Hakashpotarik na lor ajar alhuwe. Hakaba kilekren ru halor ka syongsuk syongsan. Hakajala kilekren ru halor ka NC jaka Kongres persya ulam pang hayung darbar tawaan. Bat kumno banyak cakaman. Bat ban pendam ya ka NC. Kabawan ra ka Kongres. Ngilai kiran ru halor ka amendment jika kredit ke bahan rio hakaba ki MLA ki kwa banyak jisha shushu.
We had the MDA meeting today, and most of the MLAs who are in town are here in the meeting, and a large number of them are in their constituencies. They are on their way. Normally we have this meeting one day before, so a large number of them are still in the constituency, but they have all informed me that they will not be able to attend this meeting because of the fact they're in constituency, but still a large number are here. Today in the meeting, our main agenda was, of course, to discuss about the upcoming assembly session, which will start on the 10th. We have briefed the honorable MLAs of the MDA on the different issues that are there that we can expect in the session. At the same time, we briefed them also about the overall situation that's prevailing in the state. We briefed them about the law and order issues. We also briefed them about the issues of the no confidence motion that is being moved against the speaker, and we discussed on how we will be moving forward. The deputy speaker also has briefed everybody regarding the different rules and provisions in regards to that. So these discussions took place. We also discussed about the 6th schedule amendment. Some of the MLAs wanted clarification on that issue. So those have been clarified also to the MLAs. And apart from that, there were certain other issues that the MLAs had raised at the individual level. So those were discussed. So it was mainly, as I said, the entire objective was to bring the MDA partners together to prepare for the upcoming session, which is starting on the 10th. No, we have been very clear from day one that there is an inquiry that's going on, and when the inquiry is going on, we have to wait for the inquiry's results to come out and what the inquiry will bring out. It is completely unfair for us to take action against anybody without a proper inquiry and finding out who the responsible people are. So therefore, it is not possible for us to say that who will be responsible or not. And that's the reason why we have instituted this inquiry, so that the truth can come out. And therefore, all the people who are demanding this, I would urge them that you should be patient. You should wait for the inquiry to be completed. And the government has already mentioned, the Home Minister has already mentioned, that we will act firmly on the basis of the judicial inquiry that comes in.
The opposition is bringing this resolution. If you can tell us what is the mind of the government regarding this?
So obviously we are going to make sure that this resolution is defeated, or this motion, or the no confidence motion is defeated, and all the partners in the MDA today, who the representative of all the parties were there, and all of them have resolved that we are united and MDA is united, and we will ensure that this motion is defeated when it's brought to the floor of the House. We will see the procedures, how it goes, and then accordingly things will unfold. But as I said, the overall resolution that was passed today in the meeting was to ensure that this motion, that is being no confidence motion that is being brought in, will be defeated, and all the MDA partners have supported.
So is there
the chairman of the vice chairman of Niti Aayog regarding 3-4 of the externally aided projects which was stuck up in Niti Aayog, and the vice chairman has assured me that he will be clearing them. So these projects are different sectors amounting to over 1,000 crores, very important for us, and Niti Aayog has to give its comments. So I got a very positive response in regards to that. I also met the IT minister, and in the IT ministry, there is communications also. I discussed about the expansion of the towers, and we are having some issues from Government of India. I have brought those issues to the notice of the Honourable Minister, and he has said that he will ensure that those issues also are addressed.
One last question. At the time of the government on the palm oil project,
Yeah, so I have I mentioned this earlier also, that the government of India has now brought out this project. It's a good project overall, and there are many areas and many states in the northeast who want to go for it, and it is being done with a very positive objective of ensuring that livelihood and all is created. But obviously, we are very clear that as a state, we need to balance things out. So whatever decision we take, it will always be to ensure that the environment should not be affected in the wrong way. The forest cover should not be degraded. Now, if we have got areas which have a barren area, which are not forest areas, if there are those kind of areas which can be utilized for a plantation like this, then I think it's a win-win situation. If there are certain areas which could be covered and we could gain livelihood and income for the people, then it's a great thing. So therefore, whatever steps we take forward, we will do it only when we are convinced that the environment is safeguarded and the interest of the local people is safeguarded, and ensure that all these aspects are taken into consideration, and then we move forward. But as I said, the government of India's proposal is there, obviously, and we will see to what extent we will go, but we will only go once we have done our homework properly.